going back to the Blue Ribbon Committee, sinabi naman ni Senate President Tito Soto that he's looking at 3 to 4 replacements if Senator Lacson does finalize his resignation. So in your opinion, if not Senator Lacson, who should lead the Blue Ribbon Committee?
I go back to someone with background in law. Kasi nakikita mo yung interpretation ng baguhan talagang ah, kapag narinig mo para masyasyak ka, senador ba yun? Kailangan natin ng
Sino ba yung tinutukoy mo?
mahirap magsalita, di ba? Dapat may seniority, may experience, magaling si Senator Lacson sa investigation, pero yung nuances ng batas. Kaya first time na nangyari na bago matanong ng Senado, abay pupunta muna sa DOJ yung witness at sasalain ng DOJ. Hindi yan nangyayari sa Blue Ribbon. Ang Blue Ribbon ng Senado, mayayabang yung mga nandyan. I mean, in the likes of Dick Gordon, sasabihin niya, no, I know what I'm doing. So, itong mga nangyayari ngayon, nakakalungkot dahil hindi mo aasahin na may maririnig kang ganyan.
So, wala. In other words, wala.
Ang lawyer sa kanila, si Kiko Pangilinan sa majority, at saka si Pia Cayetano. But these two never chiseled a career based on a Blue Ribbon chairmanship. So I don't know if they would want to accept that.